nothing ever stays the same. Once you let it change. Hey, let it think, let it think. Hey, let it think, let it think.
Welcome back to my channel. Today we will air fry pork chops. You will surely love this one, so let's begin. We only need preheat the air fryer at 200 degrees for 5 minutes. While waiting, let's now add some flavor to our meat. Just put salt, pepper and Samyang sauce.
这一次我真的睡着了。Cook it for 10 minutes each side at 200 degrees. After 20 minutes, we're done. 我真的睡着了。
That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more easy cooking ideas.